Now let us start exercise 13.1. Exercise 13.1, question number 1. Exercise 13.1, question number 1, it says a plastic box 1.5 meter long. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is to be open at the top, ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet determined. Now what it says, a plastic box. We have a plastic box like this. Let us say this is my plastic box which is 1.5 meter long, 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep, 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is to be open at the top. Now it is open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. You need to find the area of the sheet required to making the box. Now, area of the sheet which is required to make this box will be equal to the surface area of this box. But remember, this box is divide of the top. There is no top. Yeah. So, what you write here? First of all, I have length of box, that is 1.5 meter. Then I have breadth of box, that's 1.25 meter. Then height of box, it is 65 centimeter. Now I'll convert centimeter into meters. So that is 65 divided by 100. On dividing 100, I converted the centimeter into meter. So that is 0.65 meter. Okay. Therefore surface area of the box. Now what we do here, we'll find the surface area of this very box. Therefore total surface area of box. Total surface area of box is equal to what? Is equal to total surface area of box is equal to, we can say one thing, because we know that it is divide of the top, so either we say that it is total surface area minus top, or we can say lateral surface area plus bottom, because we have to include 5 sides: lateral surface area and bottom. Lateral surface area plus area of bottom, or total surface area minus area of top. So you can go either ways. Total surface area of box is lateral surface area of cuboid, plus area of rectangle. Area of bottom, that is area of rectangle. You got it? That is equal to lateral surface area of cuboid, we just learned, twice L plus B times H, then plus area of rectangle, length times breadth. That will further give you dimensions, length, breadth, height and LB. Then what I'll substitute, I'll go like this twice. Twice length is 1.5 plus breadth is 1.25, then height is 0.65, then plus length times breadth, that's 1.5 times 1.5 times 1.25. 1.25. Then I'll solve this. Let me use calculators here. I'll go like this. It is 1.5 plus 1.25 times 2 times 0.65. 3.575. So you have 3.575, 3.575, then plus 1.5 times 1.25 plus 3.575, that's 5.45. So it's 5.45. So you got it? It's 5.45 and our units are square meter. So that's the total surface area of the box. Now after that, this was our first part. Now second part says the cost of sheet for it. If sheet measuring 1 square meter cost rupees 20. So now, or it says since cost of sheet per square meter, cost of sheet per square meter is rupees 20. Rupees 20. Therefore, cost for 5.45 square meter will be 5.45 times 20, and that is 5.45. I'll do the multiplication times 20, that's 109. So 109. That's your answer. Rupees 109. Then you can write hence the required area of sheet and cost for it is 5.45 square meter and rupees 109 respectively. That's your answer. Let's have question number 2. Question number 2 says the length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter, 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling. Walls of the room and the ceiling, it's exactly the same question, you can do it. Now, floor of the rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter and the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per square meter is rupees 15,000. Find the height of the hall. I'll show you question number 3 because 2 is similar to the first one. Let us have question number 3. The floor of a rectangular hall has perimeter. So we have a rectangular hall